What were you asking me, Gibby? What's that?
What is it? Easter time? Is it Mommy's Day?
No, it's not Mommy's Day or Easter time. Graham, were you scared?
It's scary.
Is it scary in the dark?
It's stucky.
It's darky? Are you afraid of the dark, Gibby?
Yeah. It's stuck. When I flashed my lights, I saw the dark with Jessie when she was at home.
Yeah?
When the boys were sleeping.
Yeah? So what did you do?
We were playing animal things. The scale ones, the nice ones. I was playing with this Jessie when the baby birds were sleeping.
Oh, you were? You got to stay up a little later? That's
and
nice.
when you were gone,
Yeah.
me and Jessie were just playing.
Yeah, that's nice. That's fun. I'm glad you guys played.
It's scary.
Graham, you're scared? Scared?
It's scary. And me and Jessie told you were downstairs
Yeah?
and grandmother's come.
Oh, I don't remember that.
And what happens, there was a little guy. Scary's falling. What this?
What is? You want more?
And then
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Gibson, what was the story that Grandma told you about the dog? Do you remember that story? Do you want to tell it again to me?
It was just a doggy, but he was a final engine guy.
He was like a Dalmatian, a spotted doggy.
Yeah, he's a spotted doggy.
What did he do for us?
Save the day. Oh
He's
my, I forgot the rest of it.
Yogurt?
Please.
I think you got it all. Well, okay. If you're still hungry, we'll get you some more food. But can you talk about, what were you asking your brother earlier? Ask Graham again. You were trying to find out something. You were trying to find out about what scares him and stuff. And can you ask him again?
It was,
Talk to Graham. Talk to Graham. What were you asking Graham? Maybe he'll tell you. Will you ask him? Can you ask him? See if he'll tell you what he's scared of.
You're scared of the doggies when they bite you?
Graham? Oh. Ask him again. He didn't answer you.
Are you afraid of the dark? Yeah.
Aww.
I was afraid of a big doggy. Yeah, it's a doggy. Are you afraid of a potato? He's little.
You scared of Paco? Was Paco? Yeah, is Paco nice? Is Paco nice or mean?
It's mad.
He's mad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Mad is scary.
Really?
Mad is.
Oh my goodness, I didn't know that. But who protects you from Paco?
What is that?
It's a spoon.
A spoon.
Yeah. It's a spoon.
Spoon.
Spoon. Oh, guys. You're so cute. Are you ready for some more food?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
No.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, don't throw your stuff. Don't throw it. We don't throw. All right, so who protects you when you're scared? Gibby? What makes you feel better when you're scared of the dark?
From making me better.
What makes you better? What makes it better when you're in the dark?
With a flashlight, my red flashlight.
Flashlight, yeah.
Let's stop doing that.
What are we gonna do for Graham? What should we do for Graham since he said he's scared of the dark? What are you gonna do, big brother?
He can just play with us when he's in the dark. He can play in the dark with us when we're in the dark. Oh no,
Oh no.
Gaga.
He's got yogurt on his face, huh?
His face.
On his face. Good job. You said that really good.
His face.
His face. Do you think we could get we should give Graham a nightlight, Gibby? And Bobby? Where's Bobby?
Wait, Bobby.
Where's Bobby?
Him. He's Bobby.
No!
Bobby's upstairs.
That's right. Bobby's sleeping. Graham, say Bobby's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
Yeah, he's sleeping. Aw. He's giving that back to you, Gibby. Okay, well, I think I'll get you guys some more food.
Yeah.
I love you.
Come on.
Graham, I love you.
But I don't want food, Mom.
Graham, can you say, I love you?
Mom, I don't want food.
Oh, yes. Can you get kisses?
Mommy, can you kiss
Oh,
me?
thank you.